Yo ho! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get College Brawl on your friggin' phone. This works on iOS and Android, guys, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly the download. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this website. It's called hexmods.com. You can see College Brawl right here. Press on it, press the down button, and wait for it to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, you will have to do a verification, which simply means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. These are free and they're from the App Store. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, guys, it is loading right here, and it says take a few minutes to complete verification. So you just press on the app, brings you to the App Store, and you're going to be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool, and there's no College Brawl mobile. I'm not trying to burst your bubble, but guys, there is no way you cannot play it on mobile, guys. But if you're a powerful individual and you feel that you can delve into the modded scene, you will be able to play it, guys. It's super cool, as you can see right here. So it actually works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it. But yes, it's super insane. College Brawl is so fun to play, guys, and all you have to do is complete a simple verification, guys, by downloading some apps and completing the instructions. And these are free. They're from the App Store and everything. So if you don't know what you're doing, they have a chatbot. You can actually ask for help, which is pretty wild. So yeah, that's so easy to do, guys. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And it totally works on iOS and Android. So if this video works for you guys and you want College Brawl Mobile, then be sure to try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And yeah, College Brawl is a fun game for iOS and Android gamers who love the College Brawl experience on PC and then they want it on their phone. Well, here we go. I provided the video for you guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it fully works on all devices, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.